Hi, this is a quick tutorial showing you how to access books and other media through the Hoopla app. If you haven't already set up your online account through our website and you need help with that, you can go back to the first video and it will walk you through the steps of setting up your online account and how to go about downloading Hoopla and Overdrive to your specific device. For this demonstration, I'm using my iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the Hoopla app to open it. And if this is your first time to sign in, you're going to need to sign in with your library card number and the password that you set up on our website. So whenever you open it up, this is what it will look like. And one of the features of Hoopla, if you would like to use it, on the settings gear, if you'll tap on it, you can turn it on kids mode. Initially it's turned off, but if you just switch the switch over, it'll turn it on and it will filter out only kid appropriate content. So you have your tabs at the bottom: My Hoopla, Video, Music, Books, and Search. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to search for books using the app. So when you tap on the search button in the bottom right hand corner, it brings up a search bar, and you can search by author, title of the book, series, and you can even search by a subject. So if we tap on it, and let's say we want to search for Pete the Cat books. So I type in Pete the Cat, hit search, and all of these results are what are available on Hoopla. Now underneath the search bar, you can filter out if you're looking for a specific ebook, audiobook, or music, and it also has an option for comic books. So I'm going to tap on ebook, and let's say we want to choose The Missing Cupcakes, Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. So I tap on it to select it, and it brings me to the page. It gives me a little description about the story, and it gives me the option to borrow it. So if I tap on the blue button that says borrow, I will be able to borrow the book for 21 days. Once you tap on borrow, then the blue button will say download, and you'll need to tap on download, and it will automatically download it to your device. One of the great things about Hoopla is you don't have to worry about a due date, because after the 21 days, it will automatically remove it from your device. So let's go back to the search bar, and let's say we don't know a title, we just want to search for books on sharks. So I type in sharks and hit search. And once again, we have our filter options at the top: ebooks, audiobooks, there's even movies on sharks and television shows. So these are all of our options. And same thing, if you pick a shark book, you want to borrow it, tap the blue borrow button, and then tap download. So once you want to access all of your borrowed items, you'll click on My Hoopla at the bottom left-hand corner with the house. And that's going to show you all of the things that you have checked out. So right now I have a shark book checked out, and all I have to do is click the play button to read the book. Right now you are allowed 10 borrows a month through Hoopla. So for the month of April, you're allowed to borrow 10 items, whether it's books, movies, or music. If you don't currently have a Chambers County Library card, we are offering temporary cards. So you can email us through our website, or you can even call the location nearest you and leave a message, and someone will get back to you. I hope this demonstration was helpful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through email or through Facebook. And we hope everyone is doing well, and we hope to see you soon.